Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the left, mid and right functions within Excel. It's very simply these functions cut a string of data to return only certain segments of the data. So we look at the spreadsheet. We have, for instance, general ledger accounts for structured GL, meaning that each set of data represents a particular aspect. So in our example, the first two digits represent the business unit, the next three digits represent the site, and the last four digits represent the expense type. So for whatever reason, you may want to split these out so that you can arrange all the business units in one column, sites in another column, expense type in another column, and subject this to different type of sorting and analysis. So if we go to the business unit column, we will utilize the left formula because it is the first two digits. We click the FX and type in left, go. We can then select the left formula. It will return the argument screen, and the first thing we need to do is select the text. A3 is the GL code, and what are the number of characters from the left that we want to return. So we want to return the first two characters. We type in 2 and click in OK, and we see the business unit returned is business unit 12, and that will tie into our table business units to business unit quality control. Next, we want to extract the site. Now the site is the three digits numbers following the business unit. So we cannot use the left. We use a formula called mid. We click F2X. We look for mid. Select it. And the first argument we need to enter is what is the text. Again, A3. Now, because our data is contained in the middle of the text, it asks you what is the start number. That will be the first of your returned data, the first digit. So we put in 3, and the number of characters we want to return, including that first digit, is 3 characters, because that segment's made up of 3 characters. Okay, and you can see sites returned 001, which corresponds with Midlands. And lastly, we want to return the expense type. The expense type is the last 4 digits, so we can utilize the right formula and return X amount of digits from the right. So click FX, look for right, select right, and again A3 is the text. How many characters do we want to return from the right? And it is 4 characters. And 4,500 is returned, which is telephone expenses. So in so doing, we have now split a single string of data into 3 different strings of data, and we have nominated the breaks. We have indicated business unit should be 2 digits, site are the 3 digits after the business unit, and expense type are the last 4. So you can see this comes in very handy if you need to split any string of data into any other logical segments. If you'll notice, all the formulas contain relative referencing, and what this will do, it will change the cell reference as we copy the cell down. So if I highlight all the cells, copy, and paste, and you will see accordingly the references have moved to the corresponding lines. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.